Hello humanity lovers, welcome to my channel Mind Center Rocks. I am Setunath. First of all, tell me where do you live? You may say in the house, but that's not true. It's in the mind. Today I am going to tell you about how to overcome sadness. Sadness comes from your thought habits. Okay? You are continuously thinking about something, and that thought creates sadness inside your mind. Remember, thought is a ocean. That means the ocean of thoughts are pushed inside your heads. That thought creates sadness within you. If you put that certain picture which creates sadness aside, then you can overcome sadness. Actually, the pictures inside your mind is creating that particular sadness. Whatever it is, just move it out from your mind and bring new pictures to your mind. Actually, what you are seeing, that matters the most to you. What you see with your eyes determines what state of mind you are going to be in. Okay. So the sadness comes from your thought. That thought which you are thinking always, that is the ocean of thoughts, and you lies within it. You have to get out of it. Now, how to get out of it? Suppose you are having a friend's death inside your mind, and that is creating sadness within you. That picture, the scenario of your friend's death is creating sadness within you. Can you see those pictures and try to remove those pictures from your mind, because this was past, and the picture is gonna worth you nothing. Okay, past pictures worth you nothing. Past bad pictures, actually good pictures gonna worth you, but bad pictures not gonna worth you. If you aren't able to bring aside your bad pictures from your mind, you are not going to become happy with it. Okay, just tell yourself you are not sad, and start removing those pictures from your mind from now. Now is the moment. Seize the moment and try to be happy. Actually, you are happy. You are worthy than you thought. You are just significant than you thought. You are just attractive than you thought. Attract pupils around you to love you. Okay, to like you, not hate you. Okay, those people who hate you, create sadness within you, ignore those pupils. Okay, that's how you are going to become happier. Okay, can you be the happiest at the moment without anything? You haven't a car, you haven't a house, you haven't anything. Can you be happy with that situation? If you become happy with that situation, that you have nothing, then you can be happy forever. You have to have nothing. You just have to have this soul this mind, this body, you just have to have it. God tells us you don't have to have this body or this mind to become happy. The thought is going to come and go. The thought is going to come and go. And what remains? Your mind remains. The thoughts are not going to remain forever inside your mind. Thoughts are coming, let them come and let them go. Don't create panic when you are having bad thoughts. Just still your mind and thought of other things of the then time. If you think that you are playing and you have played badly, that creates sadness within you, that you have not played well. That thought creates sadness within you. Think like that, the next day is gonna come. This is past. I played badly in the past. I am not going to play bad in future. Okay, I am going to play well in the future. That's how to think. That's how your present moment and future moment is going to be happier if you stay with you forever. That's how to overcome happiness, actually sadness, and bring happiness within you. That's right, and that's it. If you like my video, share this video to help others know it. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you are newcomers to my channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you very much.